Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how we can send WordPress form data to Google Sheet without using any API or without using any secret key and client ID. So first see how it's work. So this is a form, WordPress form. So let's enter some data. Now if we submit, if submit is successful, it will show over here, data over here. See? So let again enter another data. See? So what I have done here is that I have written some app script over here. So this is the app script, do post and do get. So now let's see how you can integrate this into your WordPress plugin. For that, go to the your WordPress admin dashboard, then go to the plugin section. Then from that, click on add plugin, then there upload plugin, and from that choose plugin zip file and then install, and then click on activate plugin. So this will create a menu in the left hand side, CFS form. Click on that, and there you will see this gas code. Click on that, and you will see the video over here and step by step guide how you can do it. Friends, I have made this plugin for you guys only so that you can easily save the WordPress form data to Google Sheet. So please support me by subscribing and by watching this full video and by paying my work in Gumroad. I can integrate this. So for that, now click on now open a new sheet by sheet but new. So it will create a new sheet and then click on this extension and then app script. So before that, give the name of this sheet as you will like. So I'll write, give the name is WP data, WP form data. Now go to the app script. Here also will give the name WP form data script, and then copy the code that I had provided in the plugin by clicking on this copy and then paste over here, then save and then click on deploy and then new deployment and then this setting icon, web app, and here give the any name WP data and who can access, and here web app execute as me and then they can access. Here select anyone and then deploy. It will ask for authorization. So group all the necessary authorization that is required. Now copy this URL and then let's go to the admin, WP admin, and then just click on this admin. So let's add a new form called form customer form, and then here paste the URL, declared URL, that is this one that I have copied, and then the sheet name. So here I want to save the data in this sheet. So this you may edit the sheet name over here. So let the sheet name be data. So here we will replace this sheet name as data, and then let the field be name, email, message, and we can add as much as field as you want. and the field may be text, email number, date, URL, phone. I only need 3 fields. So now save. So it will generate the shortcode. So here is the shortcode. So now let's copy this shortcode. Now let's go to the page. Now let's add a new page. Let's call it customer data. Okay. Now here we will enter the shortcode. So now let's publish it. Now if we view this page, see. So now let's enter some demo data. I say submit. See the data over here. See, it automatically entered the header over here. Since header is not yet, and let's enter another data. So this is the customer data. Okay, let's enter another data. Now enter some message. A random message. You submit. See B. Now let's enter another sheet over here, and let me name it sheet 2. And if we want to enter the data to this sheet 2, then what we have to do? We now create another form. Let data to sheet 2, and we'll name this, and in the sheet name we'll write sheet 2, and the name should be exactly this, the name of the sheet, and then copy the URL over here, and let remove this, and here we will enter phone number, and phone number and number. Okay, every name in phone number and display number, right? Data save. So it create the shortcode. Copy this, go to the page, and we'll create another form just below here. Save, and if you view, we'll see two forms. Okay, so this form should send the data to sheet 2. Let's see. Maybe number, submit. It will submit the data to sheet 2. Okay, so now let's see how you can view the data. So for that, go to the WordPress admin, click on this file form, and there you'll see this submission. So if we click on the submission over here, so if you click on the submission, see the data is coming from the Google Sheet. So this data, and for this data to sheet 2, click on this, so it will fetch the data from this sheet 2. Cool, right? So you'll get the link to download this plugin in the video description, and it will redirect to the Gumroad where you can pay for my work. So I hope you like this video. So this is the simplest way where you can submit the WordPress form to Google Sheet without using any API. So I hope you like this video.